It's not punched, that's why I was trying to see which one they did it.
Oh.
I'll check to see who punched one of the other ones. You couldn't have done it March of 23.
I think that's when the next one's due.
Dispatch knows, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Paula. I'm good. It's a fire alarm. What's going on? Is there an issue? Okay. I'll call you in a little bit. Okay.
They were here in March of 21. This was in early,
Okay.
so if you get them to come out, to come back. They have to come every year to get them up to the obviously coming up on.
Is this for the smoke? Is this just something else?
So this is something that, it's kind of two separate things. It should be done, obviously, if you have, I don't know if you had a periodic inspection yet.
Yep.
Building. Was it completed?
Yep. It's right over there.
Actually, usually I should have got flagged in, I should have come out and inspected it. I'll double check it, but yeah, that's something that usually if we were coming to inspect it, it'd be something I have to inspect, I have to make sure that was done before I sign off on it. So, I'll check that when we're done.
Wow. Hello? What's up?
Okay. 592.
Yeah, they're just testing the alarm. It's just a test.
Alright, to the full station.
Did they reset? It's a different zone,
Yeah.
so just wanna make sure.
590 ready for another zone, another device. You're just painting all the hallways?
Painted? Yeah.
Okay. So they just did up here, right, Robinson? Those stickers are going back on the wall?
We're gonna get new stickers.
You have a key? Which apartment can we go into? Is it
On this floor?
Yeah.
Or is it, or on?
I'll probably do one on each floor if possible. It doesn't matter which one, you know, so it might not be here or.
Yeah, I can, ask this person.
Okay.
You want one on each floor? I have a bunch of apartments, but I don't on this level.
Yeah, I would do one on this one and then which one on this one. I'll be right back down.
How you doing? We're just testing the fire alarm, don't worry.
Oh, you know, actually, I was in the other room and I thought it was cracked.
We might have to just test the alarm real quick, okay?
You want to come in now?
We'll wait for the fire to come. Sorry it's so loud.
Not loud in here, it's not just for you guys.
Making them run this long. Fucking crazy. You're dumb.
I didn't even come in and start picking up all this stuff.
Yeah, it's all set.
What?
Can't they just put in a rock test?
No, they want to hear it ring. They could just silence it, if that's the case. Treating this like it's a new insect. Like it's a brand new building.
Alright, we'll just run these through, we'll run it and then, we'll leave that up. Alright, cool. You can give her police the keys on here, right? In the buildings,
Say it again?
the keys, like the entranceway keys, or the keys to the apartments. Did you ever replace them, or is everything still the same?
Everything's the same.
So everything that's in our Knox box should still get us in all places?
I don't know what's in knockbox.
Alright, so before I go, we'll check them, just make sure, in case we need keys to get in.
Yeah.
Is that little box in front of the building?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't know what's in there. You guys have never opened it up since.
Alright, yes, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's what we usually like to check too. Are we able to get in here or no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's gonna let us in.
Alright, cool. So just trip that one and,
You know if they reset panel? I can ask
actually,
Adam.
yes. 5 9, is that all set? What's that? That should have been heat detector, apartment 5.
Glad to know that.
Thank you, Charlene.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, cool. Is that smoke? That's smoke, right? Yes. Yep.
They ready to go?
Here comes the next one. Good.
Yeah, I'm just turning it on.
The alarm company keeps calling me.
Because you keep getting the alarms through the.
Hello? Yeah, it's just, yeah, they're testing the alarm. With the fire
Yep, second floor. Was that blow it out after you're done?
Yeah.
What does it send in there?
Smoke.
It does?
Yeah, it's calibrated smoke, so it sends out in certain calibration.
Yeah. Not like just spraying it out of the can.
Yeah, we used to do that, and you'd end up spraying smoke everywhere, and then you'd contaminate the smoke. So
Gotcha.
this works a lot better.
Alright, we'll do one over here. You guys did the 100% test, so. Yep. Do this one, then we'll grab the next one. Heat detector and apartment 15 coming at you.
We have fire level 2, zone 2.
You want me to close this, John?
It doesn't matter. My guys need to go to the bathroom.
Not point ID.
Okay. That's it for here.
He's gonna be all right.
Yeah, that's, yeah, yeah. Car 4. That's the police station.
Health Incorporated, 233 Jackson Street. I got third floor, zone 3, zone 4, level 1, 2, 3, zone 6.
Okay, that was all one call for that last part.
I'll cover this one phone call and then I have on hold right now.
Okay. Just police station.